Again.
It's starting.
I'll brush. It's okay. What do you mean? The reason I'm doing this, remember? Come on! You got to kiss me, huh?
All night long. All day, night long.
It's already on.
Is it okay? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get this one? Oh.
Yeah.
All right. This is Baloots. This is Baloots, and this is Nolly.
Yeah.
Nolly said it's going to give me an erection for the rest of my life. All right.
Like this.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm flying.
Okay. So I take this and I got to like. Okay. Oh, I can hear it jiggling around. Becky, go away, please. You're not going to be able to handle this.
Yeah. Then open. Like that.
How long does the video last for? Okay. How long does the video go for?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah.
You can drink the...
Don't drink the water.
That's very good energy.
I want water too, please.
What?
All night long.
I got shell. Hold on. Can I get a spoon to dig out?
You can throw the spoon away often.
Yeah.
Make the whole
Make the hole bigger, yeah?
Because we have something white there.
Should I film what's in it? Should I film it?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah? What is that? Oh, this okay. You're sure?
It's not so liquidy.
You got legs, you got
Wait, did you put all this stuff on?
No, I gotta put vinegar and salt on it. Okay.
The
So,
flavoring?
what's this here? Oh, huh?
Do you have to?
That's white,
The yolk.
egg, yeah.
Yo, okay. So, vinegar.
That's a lot of vinegar.
I know, that's a lot of vinegar. It's pickled egg now.
How much salt do you need?
It's so many vinegar chips. Alright.
Oh, it's head.
I'm sorry that
Oh!
Oh, no, just like this.
Winner. Chicken dinner.
Just like this.
Drink beer. Yeah. Good? Not bad? And then beer. Complete bitter. Kamu water? Ano no? Water. Water. Tubig. Hapon kasi.
Do you like it?
Tastes like liver.
Ew, really?
Liver, yeah. Liver.
Put more vinegar and salt.
What?
It looks more hard-boiled than the other ones. Let's see.
How's that dick?
Is it still recording?
Still recording?
Yeah. Until you're finished.
Oh, it's gonna take me a while.
You can tell me when I have to put it out.
See the veins?
It actually isn't so bad.
It's it, yeah. But also bones in it? Yeah, you have to swallow the bones?
I don't know. 2 little bones.
You just eat everything?
Oh, it gets much softer in the bottom. Yeah, I was seduced by the.
It's more.
Oh!
Yeah, you have it.
Yeah. What's the black thing?
That's the penis.
No. This.
What's it?
For hair?
Oh, the body. The body of the...
Holy shit.
I know, so Legend Fair Factor. Extra challenge.
Oh.
You want immunity.
Yeah, maybe more vinegar, yeah. With salt. This shit.
No more.
Done.
That's
Almost.
One more beer.
Swallow, man.
Hold on.
It took you 5 minutes.
Done?
Yeah? Should I stop it?
Yeah.
Winner. Chicken dinner. It's okay.